To see all the learning modules we have for you this year, go to Learning Journey.
Your Learning Journey is a series of modules, each one teaching you about a new writing skill.
Altogether, your learning journey is the writing skills you need to learn each year.
So go into a module and have a look. Each module is built the same way. Here is the information on the topic and a video to watch.
Once you have done these, have a go at the questions. Your target is to get them all right. They're a quick test on what you've just learned.
The next two parts of the learning module are activities and story challenges.
I quite like to do the story challenge next. They're a super mix of made-up stories and stories about real people and places. You can read them or listen to them.
Once you're done, see how you go at the question challenge.
There are two sets. One will test your comprehension. The other tests how well you can see this writing skill in the piece that you have just read.
Finally, there are activities. These are super cool interactive activities to see how good your writing skills are.
And in some of the modules, you'll find our world-famous sentence train, teaching you all the different ways to write a sentence in a range of different worlds.
So have a go. Make it a goal to do a module a week and work your way through your learning journey.